Well, let's review the new funnel system that debuted about a week or two ago, and then just an hour or two ago, the new compensation plan video that is produced from Save Club just hit YouTube. Okay. I have it on my YouTube channel. So what I recommend is you bookmark it and just watch it a few times. Everybody gets kind of tripped up on the comp plan, on the pay plan. How much scratch do I get if I put some time and energy into this thing? And it's good to know. You need to know, how much does it cost to be a member? $19.97. All right, $20 basically. $60 for 1 year. You get the website and the capture page and customer support and everything else. All right, so $60 to be an affiliate, and that is it. You don't have to buy anything else. This is not MLM where you buy shampoo for $500 and it's only worth like $5, and you got to sell it to your grandma like Girl Scout cookies. All right, you get kind of forced to buy stuff that's overpriced in MLM. Well, Save Club's not that. That's why I do it. I like to save money on things that I'm already buying or buying in the future. And I like to make money too. So if I can, have Priceline, Orbitz, or Groupon pay me like they do influencers or the Kardashians or William Shatner. Remember, he was a spokesman for a long time for Priceline. But in this case, we can get some scratch. If we promote Save Club, they're willing to pay us some money. And the only way to do it is to be an affiliate. So $60, okay? $19.97, you have to be a member, and then you want to actually use the membership. Go in there and get the deals. Now, we don't kick off Ready, Set, Go for 2 more days. June 1st, 2025 is when we officially start. And yes, we're going to have bigger deals. We're going to have more deals, and it's going to be worldwide. But it's a pretty good start right now. It's not bad at all. I'm doing pretty darn good. I'm pretty happy. So anyway, with the funnel system that just debuted, you can check it out with saveclubfunnels.com. I haven't even been doing the thing 2 weeks. It's already made me about $700-800. Lots of signups. So thank you, funnel system. And the only way to look at it is to go to saveclubfunnels.com. You can see my results here. Let's see, pre-enrolled 5. Oh, let me hit refresh here. Oh, there we go. Yeah, it looks like 3 more people have upgraded today. So way to go, guys. Yeah, I've signed up 9 people just in the last few days. That's awesome. And I've signed up like 20 or 30 in the last 30 days. It puts me on the leaderboard, which feels real nice. It's always fun to feel like you're getting results. It does a lot for your confidence. And right now it looks like I'm right at about, let's see, I'm number 7. I've got 92 people that have signed up, and I'm helping those folks. And if you're signed up, I'm going to do everything I can to share video and ideas. What should I do? You definitely want to go to the training tab, watch this short video, and then click this orange button and see all these folders. There's tons of video, tons of reels, the little videos. There's lots of pictures that you can use on any social media platform, or if you need to email somebody a picture, I guess you can do that too. Build an ad on, what's it called, Craigslist. Anywhere, just post, post, post. There's no such thing as a bad post. The only thing you want to do is just make sure your link is where you want it to go. I guess you call it promoting both links at the same time, which doesn't make sense, but you know what? If it works, it works. I love saveclub.com. That is this link right here. You go to this page, and this 6-minute video has signed me up a ton of people. It is our founder chatting for a few minutes. I think it's about 6 minutes. And if you like what you hear, fill this form out. That's all you got to do. Click that orange button, open up your Save Club email, get more information, or you can join from there. Now, the funnel system, this is what it looks like. So you go, let me just show you. Sometimes it's just easier when you see something on a screen. You go to saveclubfunnels.com. You're going to go to this page here, put in an email, hit the yellow button, 20-minute video by Money Making Melvin. That's what I call Melvin. He hosts for 20 minutes and explains the comp plan and the whole opportunity from what's it like to be a member and an affiliate. I'm so happy for this video because Some people want the 6-minute short version. They just get Save Club. $20 you save on things. And if you want to be an affiliate, $60, you get a link and go promote it. But with the funnel system, it takes you just a little smoother. You get yourself a drink, kick your legs up, go for a little cruise, go like 45 through the canyon. You don't have to haul ass in a Lamborghini, okay? But this video is 20 minutes. If you like what you see, then join Save Club if you have not joined already. Here's the pricing. Look, $19.97 a month, $20. $60. Boom, 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 320s. Go ahead and spend it. The next year, you're flush, baby. And if you like the new funnel, this exact system, you can change the website. Now, if you don't like these pictures, if you want the word more yellow or pink, you can change any of the wording. But I recommend, it's not really broke, so don't fix it. But it's up to you. It's $25. That's it. Get the new funnel, click that button, and then watch this video. Chit chat just a few more minutes. And if you're sure, join Save Club Funnel. Like I said, $25 for the month. If you don't like it, then get rid of it. But if you like it, get it again and again. I'm never getting rid of the funnel. It's too valuable. It gets me signups. Visa, MasterCard, Discover, American Express. You guys get it, okay? And then I'm going to welcome you to 2 private invite-only Facebook groups. They are big, they're thick, they're satisfying, and they're huge and long. Yeah, like a big hot dog. Like a foot long at a professional baseball game for $40 for a hot dog. You're going to click that red link. All right, Money Making Melvin's going to talk to you guys a little bit and just get you nice and comfy. And then we're going to get you a bunch of pictures. We're going to get you just a ton of stuff and videos that you can use for TikTok, Facebook, and Instagram. All you have to do is just get links like I've done. That's what I've done. You see the red cards there? Those are just Vistaprint business cards I've made. All my cards are the same. They're $22 for a big old box that'll last me years and years. But if anything on the street comes up, like what's this club save? What's this save club? What the hell is it? I just give you a business card and say, go check out the link. And if you like what you see, you can email me. And then we'll go from there. But I don't want to waste your time. You sure the hell don't want to waste my time? Because I'll make you go walk around and hang out with me. Then I'll talk to you all day. Then you're going to start washing vehicles and motorcycles and doing all kinds of crazy stuff. But I don't really talk about Save Club other than when I can record a video and upload it so that 10, 50, 100, eventually thousands of people will watch this video. That's why I love doing the webcam thing. SaveClubFunnels.com. Please look into it. It sure works. There's also an affiliate side. So for that $25, the company pays you $20 for each person you sign up, and that's every single month that person has the funnel. That's why I've made an additional 800 already just on the funnel system. Because people, you can get the funnel system if you're in any group. You don't have to sign up underneath me. You can sign up again, with somebody else. That's fine. But if you think the funnel system might help you, when you run out of ideas, you get brain fog, you don't really want to do video like I'm doing right now, don't worry about it. We have videos already made, short ones, long ones. We have pictures and banners. We have you covered because we know the biggest thing that you're going to have a roadblock with is, number one, the shyness of doing a video. So we'll make videos for you. I don't know if you know how to make pictures. I sure don't. I know how to copy and paste them, but I don't know how to make all those cool posters and graphics. So we have an army of people that do that. We get fresh content just about every day, but you have to join my team. I want you to kick ass. We have 2 days before Ready, Set, Go. We're in pre-launch still as of May 30th. But after that, we're still going to dominate. You want to make money. You have $60, spend it, invest it, and let's get it back real fast. All the money you invest in yourself, you're going to get it back in the membership. I just know it. And if you don't, it means you're not trying. It means you forget to hold your phone up and check out what you're buying to see if you can save. But let's get you saving some money, and I want you to earn some money too. I want you to click both those links on my screen, please. ilovesaveclub.com, Save Club Funnels, and proof is just in that pudding. All right, it's good to see. I love going to the statistics. I'm real proud of that. 9 people just in the last couple days. So thanks you guys for signing up. When people pre-enroll, you're going to get some nice messages every single day unless you want to unsubscribe. And if you want to upgrade like these 9 people, I'm going to send you a nice email and get you going, okay? All right, that's it, folks. I'm at the 10-minute mark. Right on. I'm going to go take me a little pee-pee. I'm going to get me a drinky. And I think I'm going to stretch my legs a little bit. I've been sitting here for the last hour, and my butt's asleep. So, you guys, thank you for your time. I mean it. And subscribe to my YouTube channel. Just subscribe and watch these videos and dig it. Okay? All right, take care, guys. We'll see you next time.